Message module. The message module will enable users to communicate within themselves. Log into your account. You can view the count of unread messages by clicking on the bell icon or from the message icon available in the left side menu. Clicking on the message icon will enable you to view the list of messages received. The unread messages will be highlighted with a darker BG. Click on the message to read the message. Click on the Sent option to view a list of sent messages. Click on the Compose button, create a message, search and select the preferred recipient. Enter a subject for the message and enter the message details. Before sending the message, if the user feels that this particular message content could be used in a frequent basis, we provide our users with the option to store them as favorites or templates and use them in future messages. To save favorites, click on the Add as Favorite icon and click on the Save button. You can also use the Add Label button to assign details to labels from existing labels or create a new label. The same details can be stored to multiple labels. Click on Send to send the message. You can view the sent message by clicking on the Sent option. Click on the Favorite icon here to view the favorite messages stored and labels created. Clicking on Ellipsis icon to view the labels and select any label to view details already stored in them. Clicking on the Add icon to easily import the information into the module. This will enable you to reduce a lot of usage time. Make the required changes and click on Send to send the message. To reply to message, click on any message and click on the Reply icon or Reply button. Enter the preferred message and click on Send. You can also keep track of a conversation thread. To print or delete a message, click on any message and click on the Print icon to print the message and click on the Delete icon and confirm to delete the message.